Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I was at a laser show this last week called Next Level Laser in Grapevine, Texas, near Dallas. And I met a young man that has started selling items. And what I like about him, he's energetic and he goes out and finds items that other people don't have. I've never seen a magnetic koozie. There it is on my lawnmower. There it is on my golf cart. And then first person I've ever seen that sells hat clips. If you sell baseball hats, this would be an add-on, and there's actually a video on his site. They come in all the different colors. Wallets. This one actually has a card ejector. Both these wallets are protected from people stealing your identity. I can't think of the name or the initials. Flashlight. It's got a magnet on the inside. It's got a belt clip. It's got a light that comes out the top. And the light that's right here has 3 settings. And the high setting is like super bright. Bookmarks, there it is, open, there it is, closed, magnetic. But the big thing, and I'm wearing one right now, is the belt. It's called a technical belt. It's anodized aluminum, so it'll engrave. It's, I've worn out my old leather belt, and I've been trying to lose a little weight, and I have to keep poking holes in my belt. This is adjustable, and it is so easy to take off. You just slide that piece the other direction, and it's got a magnet in it, but it's also got a hook. So when you slide it off the magnet, the hooks come unclipped. I'm wearing one right now, and I love it. Just this morning, he told me I told him I was going to make a video, he's going to give a 10% discount if you use this code, DougGreen10. It's good until the end of December of this year. This is the 1st of September of 2025. So let's go to his website and just look around. There's the wallets, there's the hat clips, showing the magnets on the back, there's the wallet, dip cans, there's all the colors. Actually got a bigger koozie. Look, hats, wallets, flashlights, leatherettes, bottle openers. He sells hats. And he's got a video on this site about what is a hat clip. And let me see if I can find it real quick. And anyway, he has a really good video when you go to his website. I will leave his website at the bottom of the video. And like I think I said before, you're not buying from a corporation. They're in Michigan, hence the name Great Lakes. But they've got a really neat Facebook page that I'm sure you could ask questions on settings and what people are, doing with them. And I'm sure you could just contact him off the website and he could give you, I'm going to be engraving the samples he gave me. I just wanted to get this video out here he's got a lot of items. Other koozies, knives. He had some pretty nice knives at the show. There's that tactical belt, and just a bunch of items that I've never seen before. I go to a lot of shows. I go to the APA, I go to the Graphics Pro, and I will go, and I'm going to give a little shout out to the Next Level Laser. It's a small venue, but a big room and a lot of people, a lot of vendors. And to me, it was a little more personable. They had, you could have bought this stuff at the show and carried it out the door. So don't forget to go to his website. I'll leave it at the bottom of the page. And I'm pretty impressed with some of the products. And if you sell hats, that's an upsell. Anyway, go to his website, look around, and hope that helped. And thank you for watching.